Hello there. Thank you for joining me today. Shannon West here, and I have got an alternative idea to show you for the March 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Now in this kit, this is the stamp set that comes with the kit, the normal kit that you use to put the projects together, and these projects are really cute. I really enjoyed putting them together. The Beyond the Horizon is the name of the kit. But this was a bonus stamp set that Stampin' Up! Sent just to say thank you for being a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So I am actually going to use both of these stamp sets in this project. And that's why they're not attached to this, because I've already got them on my blocks, but I've got the floral stamp sets, the polka dot, and then I'll use the thanks on this one. So I've got a little piece of white cardstock, fresh freesia, and a couple pieces of black. So to start with, the polka dot, it's like a triple polka dot. Oh wait, that is not the polka dot that I want. I got the wrong one off the sheet. Good catch. Woo, close call. Let's get the single polka dot. And I'll just stamp that. I mean, it's fairly random, but not too crazy. Try to spread them out a little bit so they're not lined up all perfectly, because if you try to make it perfect, it just gets frustrating. So then you can just kind of pop one in the where there's like, oh, there's too much space there. Let's pop, well, I don't know, that's just a little one like that maybe. And then down here, and then I'm flipping the paper, so I'm going to flip my polka dot. Let's see, put one there, and a couple over on this side. Should be good. Okay, that looks pretty well. Now you can kind of take a step back and say, are there any spots that are really missing a polka dot? And then just kind of fill those in like that. And this is going to be a background, so it's not actually the main focus of the card, so it's okay if it's not perfect. Let's see, I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to add one more up here in this corner. It looks a little different each time, and that's fine. I mean, that's stamping for you. It always looks a little bit different. So my advice would be to embrace that rather than resist it, because it just makes life so much easier. Now with Versamark, I'm going to stamp thanks. And then on this one, I'm going to stamp a leaf image. And I forgot to get that one off as well. That's from the stamp set that came with the kit. So let's see, remove this polka dot, leaf image. Okay, I'm getting these already at the same time because I'm going to emboss them both. So I'll just do thanks right in the middle and the leaf. And then I've got my white embossing powder here. So I'll just cover those up and then cook them. Okay. So and then this little leaf right here, I'm going to fussy cut that out after, which, you know, fussy cutting, not really my thing, but I did a lot of it on this card and I think it was worth it. It looks amazing. All right, all of these pieces are finished now. Polka dots are ready. Thanks is ready and trimmed, and leaf is fussy cut. Now it's this little piece of fresh freesia here, and this is about 1 inch by, I don't know what, 5.5 inches. And so this is going to just be texture on the card. So I'm going to rough it up really good and get it ready to be put on the front of the card. And I don't want to rip it. So there's a fine line between getting enough roughing up and too much. Because once you get too much, then it starts to rip. And then I'm just going to kind of like fold it back, a bit of an accordion fold, so that it layers on top of each other in a few spots, like that. And then I'll put my adhesive down and just stick it to it. Ooh, we are progressing nicely. Let's get some Mango Melody now. Mango Melody and our flower stamps. I'm going to stamp these on just a piece of white cardstock, and we'll start with the big background. And this one I'm going to stamp off so the color is not so strong. Oh, that is such a beautiful color. It's so intense. I love this color. When Mango Melody came out, I said, I will never use that color. I do not like it at all. And now it's become one of my favorite, most used colors, which makes me laugh. So I learned a good lesson from that, you know what, you never know what your favorites are going to be, so never say never. I guess that's what they say, right? So now here's full strength Mango Melody, and just put this right over the top for the detail of the flowers. Okay, so cute. Now this also gets fussy cut out, and I'm going to cut that one separate to use as a layer. All right, these are all cut out. I did forget one thing though, and that was to do a little polka dot right in the middle, a center of the flower with the polka dot. So I'll do that again with Mango Melody, full strength, just to fill up that center so that it isn't white and plain. Okay, these look awesome. They're going to be beautiful. Let's put them, all of this, on a white card. There we go. So first step is the polka dot background, and this card needs to have tons of texture and dimension. So I'm going to just right off the bat put dimensionals on this level. And okay, perfect. Already looking so cute. Any card that starts out with polka dots is starting off right, if you ask me. Next step, fresh freesia cardstock embellishment. So I'll just put a little bit of adhesive there and kind of roughly just place that over right there, and it doesn't totally stay down, which is okay. Well, this actually probably need a little right there. There we go. So it's just supposed to add some nice looking texture. That's looking awesome. And the next step, let's add some ribbon. I love this black and white gingham ribbon. Maybe my favorite ribbon of all time. So we need a little black and white bow over here in the corner. And so I'm going to keep all of my layers nice and straight so this lays flat when I'm finished. Cute. This ribbon is really nice, so I think it would lay flat no matter what, no matter how terrible of a bow it was. But that looks pretty much perfect. I don't know. I don't know if it's the ribbon or just good ribbon tying luck. Next step, let's add the flowers, and I'll add those with dimensionals as well. And this one over here will be separate, but there. Okay, so let's tuck that in right here. And then this one can be kind of down back in here. And then we need our greeting. Where did that go? There it is. So let's add the greeting next. And we'll just put that kind of like right on top. Let's see if we can get it over here. There we go. It's looking good. And I like it behind the ribbon there because then the ribbon stands out even more, which is awesome. Now I need some dimensionals on these, but the big ones are too big. So I've got these mini dimensionals and they are just perfect. So I'll just put this right here on the side. And ta-da, we are finished. March 2022 Paper Pumpkin, originally named Beyond the Horizon, And this is an alternative sample that looks nothing like the intended projects. So fun, all of the different things you can do, especially with the free stamp set that Paper Pumpkin surprised its subscribers with this month. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.